So here's a bit of a special treat for you guys. This is a Sanitaire commercial vacuum cleaner, which I actually got a really good deal on it because the people I bought it from mislabeled it as the cheapest model Sanitaire makes. So I got it for substantially cheaper than what these cost for brand new, and this thing's pretty close to new. So let's go ahead and open this up, see what we got inside. As far as I can tell, everything that was included with it brand new is in the box. So I don't know if this was a store return or I don't know what its story was, but I mean, it even comes with all the manuals and literature. But this is just a standard Sanitaire manual here. But it's nice because they include all the parts and everything on the back, all the numbers. So we have this, which is already open, 2 cord hooks, a screw and nut, as well as the chain for the bag, and a spare belt. There's the machine itself, and this is really the sealing part of the deal here. This takes ST bags, which are a synthetic bag. You can get a paper bag, but Sanitaire sells the synthetic ones for these. I would definitely run synthetic over paper any day, HEPA bags, you know. But it's pretty nice, pretty good condition, pretty good quality. I mean, let's set that aside. One nice feature about this machine is it has the more ergonomic handle. I don't know how that feels. I've never tried one of these before. We have the other part of the handle, as well as the extension cord. All right, so let's start putting it together. What I like about these machines is how easy they are to put together. With the cord hooks, what you want to do when you set one of these up for the first time is run the cord into the hook, just like this. But you just slide the hooks on. We may have to adjust this just a little bit, so I'm not going to snap that one in all the way, but we'll do the top, just like that. A little slack there, but that's perfectly fine for me. So now we have the chain, which goes on the bag. Let's stick the bag in place, just like this. We've got it all plugged in. One thing that's both good and bad about these is how long and thick the cords are. Which leads me to really one of my only gripes about them are these cord hooks. Now you can buy an upgraded cord hook set which has a rotatable end here, and you can just pull the cord off like that. Because how they have it set up, you have to wind it up and then unwind it to use the machine or put it away. And with this really thick commercial quality cord, that gets to be kind of a chore. So that's really my only issue with it. I've already adjusted this to my carpet, so it's basically ready to go. Let's give it a try and see how she works. It's a lot quieter than some of their older models, that's for sure. And I also noticed that they have the CRI approval sticker on here. That's cool, I guess. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video and stay tuned for more. I'm definitely happy with this machine. Probably be keeping this one.